How's it going? Hope you're keeping well. Connor here from Train Like a Warrior, and on today's quick video I'm going to be showcasing some of my favourite dumbbell only muscle building chest exercises that you can perform absolutely anywhere, whether you're training at home, the gym or on your travels, to help you build that bigger, leaner and stronger chest. Now I showcase some of these variations using a bench and some of the exercises on the ground lying back. So if you haven't got access to the bench, simply perform the movements lying on the ground. My goal within this video is for you to pick a few exercises that maybe you haven't used before, implement them into your training routine and to help you push forward with your goals. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, leave a comment, cheers. So squad, the first exercise within this video is actually a bodyweight movement, and that is the increased range of motion dumbbell push-up. This is one of my favorite exercises to build that overload, increased range of motion within the push-up variation. Then we're moving on to just a simple dumbbell floor press, a brilliant exercise. If you haven't got access to a bench, try to lift that heavier weight in that 8 to 15 rep range and you will notice some serious improvements within your muscle throughout your chest with this exercise. Then if you have access to a bench, put it in that incline position and we can really target the upper chest here with this exercise. Now if you haven't got access to a bench, a good movement to replicate that is a feet elevated push-up to target your chest. This is another one of my favorites. This is simply raising the dumbbells up vertically so you can perform a very increased range of motion push-up, again targeting that upper chest and functional strength. Then this is called your neutral grip close hand chest press. Okay, bringing the dumbbells in close together, tucking the elbows in tight, working your inner chest, your triceps, everything is being worked here. Then this is just a replica of the floor press, only with the bench, your flat dumbbell chest press. Brilliant exercise to build that bigger, leaner, stronger chest. Then we have the reverse grip dumbbell press. Now this is a very overlooked exercise. I love to add this into my routine every now and then to work that inner and lower portion of the chest, and you actually feel that a bit within the biceps. Then one arm alternating chest press. Okay, this is an exercise to get a wee bit more functionality and core strength in. This isn't an exercise where you're really going to try to lift heavier weight. This is all about slow and controlled movement. Then we're moving into just the one dumbbell push-up. Blaster of an exercise for your inner chest, forearms, triceps, and once again a very functional movement. Then we're moving in to the chest fly. Now personally, in my opinion, I like to perform this exercise lying back on the ground. I feel that it's safer. Sometimes when you're on the bench you can overextend too much, but this is brilliant for the width of the chest, good stretch with a good comfortable weight. I would definitely add in a floor chest fly into your routine.